Yo, what's up? PS3 Gamer here, and I'm gonna show you how to get unlimited coins on Subway Surfers. So for right now, I'm gonna show you call a like a test. I'm not a test, but like what it looks like and everything. So might be too loud. Sorry. Go to shop. You can see I have like a 13 billion coins and keys. So yeah, you can just like buy everything. I have every single character. Every single one. It unlocks all the characters for you, all the outfits. You just unlock them. So yeah. But I'm not gonna do that now. I don't want to waste anyone's time because I know y'all just want to get to the glitch and get the coins and stuff. So what you want to do is go here on the App Store and search Subway Surfers Coin Hack app. And you're going to want to get this one. Full tips and tricks guide surfer or whatever. So you want to install it. Okay, installed link here. Open it. Now the ads on this app are mad crazy. They're so freaking crazy, like it's unreal. But just go to unlimited coins. See step 1, most important. See the ads. Okay, step 1, most important step. Back up your game data. This app will. It's like something right there. Something. It already, basically what it's saying right here for step 1 is that it's automatically gonna back up your game data. For step 2, if you're playing the game, close it. So I need to go close it. There we go. Go to the next one. Go to your device and go to your device, NATO settings, and clear game data, apps, and Subway Surfers. So all you have to do is go to where's my settings at? Your settings. Go all the way down. Go to your application manager for Android. And then you want to find your Subway Surfers. And I might have passed it. Oh, here it is. And you want to hit clear data. Okay. You want to go back out of that. Then you want to go back to your application. Tips and tricks right here. Next. Step 4, click apply. That's it. Enjoy. Not uninstall this app. It will remove your cheats. That is not true. But just click apply. Apply. Coins and keys updated. Enjoy. So all I have to do, go back. Subway Surfers. And when you hit clear data, it erases about everything, but it keeps like, it's kind of complicated to explain. But so yeah, let it load up here. As you can see, I'm refilled with 13 million keys and coins. I hope you enjoyed and have a great day. Peace.